Access to a new form of luxury, where value is created not only through the asset itself, but through experience. Salt of Virgin Beach is a project redefining what investment in Bali truly means. Location, the foundation of investment. Salt of Virgin Beach is located in the Karangasem region, one of the most promising directions for Bali's development. The project is situated on the first coastline in immediate proximity to the ocean, effectively just steps from the water. Virgin Beach is one of the few beaches on the island suitable for comfortable swimming, which creates distinct value for a broader audience of guests not limited to the surfing segment. Within the project, a first underwater museum in Bali is also planned, enhancing the overall concept and creating a unique stay experience. The combination of location, natural characteristics, and conceptual solutions creates a scarce asset format that cannot be replicated in other regions of the island. Karangasem is currently in a phase of active development, and it is here that a new premium cluster of Bali is being formed. Concept: experience-driven luxury. Salt of Virgin Beach is a 5-star hotel designed as a holistic stay experience. The concept of the project is based on a curated experience format, where the guest chooses not only a vacation, but a certain state and quality of environment. The architecture is integrated into the natural landscape, and the space is designed to create a sense of calm, privacy, and balance. This is a new generation of luxury, restrained, thoughtful, and focused on substance rather than display. This approach forms a different type of demand, attracts a more conscious audience, and creates conditions for a higher level of income. Key differentiation. What truly differentiates Salt is an experience that cannot be replicated. Coral Restoration Program, partnership with Coral Triangle Center, the first underwater museum in Bali, own diving school with an international brand ambassador. Here, the guest does not simply resting, the guest becomes part of the ecosystem. And it is exactly such projects that today shape premium demand globally. Environmental responsibility as a system. We view development as a system of responsibility to nature, the community, and the investor. Salt of Virgin Beach is designed as a long-term asset, where every decision has a clear logic, control, and measurable result. Environmental standards here define not only the possibility of construction, but the way it is implemented. Air quality is managed through systemic solutions: irrigation of the territory, transport control, material processing technologies, and dust filtration. Water is a key element. The project implements a closed-loop system, its own treatment facility, water reuse, and no discharge into the ocean. This preserves the ecosystem and the long-term value of the location. Waste is integrated into a local recycling system, organic waste is composted, recyclables are processed, and hazardous waste is fully controlled and disposed of through licensed companies. These processes are not visible to the guest, but they define the stability of the project. This approach reduces risks, ensures transparency and interaction with the state, and creates a predictable model for the investor. Salt of Virgin Beach combines a unique location, a well-designed experience, and a systemic approach to management. This is an investment built on control, not assumptions. Infrastructure, as a service, not a list. It is important to understand that the project's infrastructure is built around guest scenarios. A wedding and event rooftop is designed for key events and forms a separate demand segment. Wellness spaces and GX Bar integrate modern recovery approaches, combining anti-age practices and mental well-being. 2 restaurant concepts complement the stay experience and function as independent attraction points. The diving center is part of the overall lifestyle and provides access to the ocean environment. Guests have the opportunity to snorkel, dive, explore the underwater world, and also participate in the Coral Restoration Program, planting their own coral fragments and observing their growth during future visits. Premium service and international standard. The project is managed by the international operator, the Lux Collective. This ensures 5-star hospitality standards, integration into global sales channels, and an average daily rate in the range of $500 to $1,000 per night. The operator confirms its expertise through international recognition, including Forbes Travel Guide Awards 2026, which serves as an indicator of consistent service quality and compliance with global standards. This management format ensures a systematic approach to operations and guarantees that the asset functions as a cohesive, efficient business. Room inventory. The room inventory is designed to accommodate different stay scenarios and the demands of a premium audience. The 5-star hotel includes 84 rooms with panoramic views of Mount Agung and the endless ocean. The project offers a range of residence and room formats that combine privacy, functionality, and a direct connection to the natural environment, from classic hotel rooms to more spacious formats with terraces and access to the complex infrastructure. This planning allows the project to serve different guest segments and maintain stable occupancy throughout the year. The financial model is based on a pool system of profit distribution. Income is generated at the level of the entire complex and distributed proportionally among owners, regardless of the occupancy of a specific unit. This reduces the impact of seasonality, balances risks, and ensures a more predictable cash flow. For the investor, this means one simple thing: income stability is determined by the efficiency of the entire project, not an individual unit. What you sell as an agent. You do not sell square meters. The object of interest becomes access to a scarce location, a product of a new luxury segment, and an experience that cannot be replicated in other projects. The investment is considered as an asset that grows with the market and creates long-term value. This approach defines a different level of communication with the client. The project is not oriented toward mass demand, but toward a circle of investors for whom quality, context, and asset stability are the priority. At the current stage, the project is in a phase where entry conditions remain the most balanced in terms of price and growth potential. As the project moves to the next stages of development, a price revision is expected in line with confirmed progress.